And what I got is this HoverAir X1. This is a flying camera. It's not a drone. It has, you see those different symbols there next to the button? It has preset functions that it will do. Different than a drone that you can fly anywhere you want, this thing just does a preset number of functions. Now you can modify those functions a little bit as far as like how high is it flying, how far behind you is it following, that kind of stuff. But for the most part, this is a touch and go system. Different from the last drone I had that had that whole setup routine, I was flying this thing and getting beautiful shots and footage on the first day. And on the second day of using it, those are the shots where the bike, it was following me around on the motorcycle. And there was very small amount of learning required to get those shots.